Hello everyone and welcome to another proven data tutorial video. Today we're going to be removing the hard drive from a HP Envy all-in-one desktop computer. Please see in the description for the tools that are necessary. First, we start by placing the computer face down on a protected surface in order to avoid any damages to the screen. You will then remove the sticker from the base that contains the motor and serial of the computer. You will notice that the sticker is already removed in this video. Under the sticker, you will uncover 4 additional screws. Next, remove the screws from the base using a Torx screwdriver. The 4 center screws require a Phillips head screwdriver. After the center 4 screws are removed, start removing the corner screws. While removing the corner screws, you will feel that the lid will start to separate itself from the base. Once you have removed all screws, you will now use a prying tool to release the tabs, locking the lid in place. Removing this lid will uncover a secondary lid. Next, using a Torx screwdriver, remove the screws holding the metal plate. After removing the screws, remove the metal plate. Finally, you will be able to see the hard drive. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws holding the hard drive and carefully remove the power and the SATA cables. This concludes our tutorial video for removing a hard drive from a HP all-in-one desktop computer. We hope that you enjoyed this video.